Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laser level measure that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Mileseey by RockSeed 165 feet laser measure. The laser measure by Mileseey is a highly accurate and versatile digital laser distance meter. It features unique 2 bubble levels for precise measurement, with laser precision technology delivering accuracy up to plus or minus 1/16 inch. The meter can measure distances up to 328 feet and can switch between m, in, ft units for convenience. It also has a backlit LCD screen for better visibility in dark areas and a mute setting for quiet operation. The meter offers multiple measurement features including area, distance, length, volume, Pythagorean method, addition and subtraction. It is waterproof and dustproof, designed with a portable size and a durable, rubber body. The package includes the laser measuring device, batteries, user manual, hand strap, and a 12-month warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Qooltek Crossline Laser Level with 8 feet measure tape. The Laser Level Line Tool by Qooltek is a versatile multi-purpose tool that combines a tape measure, leveling bubble, and laser level to provide accurate measurements and straight lines. It is designed for indoor use and is ideal for hanging pictures, measuring wall locations, and leveling nails. The tool comes with an 8-foot measuring tape that includes both imperial and metric linear measures. It also features a backup battery for convenience. However, it may fade in sunlight or outdoor use. The tool is easy to use and provides maximum results. It has received positive reviews for its features and value for money. The Laser Level Line Tool is a handy gadget for any DIY enthusiast or professional. At number 3, we have the Multipurpose Laser Tape Measure. The Laser Level, Multi-Purpose Laser Tape Measure Line 8 feet plus Tape Measure Ruler Adjusted Standard and Metric Rulers Update Batteries MIA80 is a versatile and accurate tool designed for any situation requiring straight lines or precise measurements. This laser level features the latest multi-pronged measurements technology, providing pinpoint accuracy with ease. It combines a fine-tuned tape measure, a triple-positioned leveling bubble, and a new laser level, delivering maximum results faster than ever. The laser level works anywhere and comes with an 8-foot measuring tape that includes metric and imperial measures. It also features a backup battery for convenience. With a customer rating of 4.25, this multi-purpose laser tape measure is a great addition to any toolkit. At number 2, we have the PREXISO 2-in-1 Laser Level Spirit Level with Light. The PREXISO 2-in-1 Laser Level Spirit Level is a versatile tool designed for construction, picture hanging, wall writing, painting, and home renovation. It features a bright red laser alignment point and leveling line, allowing for precise leveling up to 100 ft horizontally and 30 ft vertically. The laser can also be used with the help of the built-in spirit level magnet, making it easy to align plumb. The 12-inch spirit level is made of a lightweight aluminum frame, reducing hand fatigue during use. Additionally, the tool is equipped with LED lights for improved visibility in dark workspaces. The 2-in-1 laser spirit level is anti-shock and magnetic, with over-molded rubber end caps and magnetized surfaces for attachment to iron surfaces. It is an ideal tool for various applications like decoration, construction, and home furnishings. And finally at number 1, we have the Dual Laser Distance Meter. The CIGMAN Dual Laser Distance Meter is a versatile and multifunctional tool that provides fast and accurate measurements. With a maximum measurement distance of 393 feet, 120 meters, it allows you to complete your measurement work quickly and accurately. Equipped with a large LCD display screen and electronic angle device, it offers convenient and precise readings. The device also features a Type-C rechargeable battery that lasts for about 4 hours and can be used for approximately 8,000 continuous measurements. Made with solid aluminum alloy, it has a compact design and magnetic suction function for easy carry and use. Suitable for a variety of measurement tasks in houses, apartments, factories, and warehouses.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.